In this clip, we will do subtotal. To do subtotal, first enter the table as given in figure 4.12. And what is subtotal? Subtotal feature in database helps us to manage, analyze and extract specific information from rows of related data. And to apply subtotals, a database must be sorted. Let us see how it works. Just look at the given figure 4.12. In this figure, only the sales of the sales executives has been given in the 2 months. There is no sum in all or monthly. So using subtotal, we will get the total sales of all the sales executives on monthly basis, and then the total sales by total sales executives in both the months. Let us see how it works. To apply subtotal, select any cell of the table. Now click on Data tab. In the outline group, click on subtotal. Subtotal dialog box appears. In the first box, that is in at each change in, click the arrow and select month. And use of function, we will choose sum. By default it is sum, so we will leave it. And in add subtotal to, we will check cells and deselect replace current subtotals. We will deselect it. And last, summary below data, it will remain same. And now click on OK. Look at the table. It displays the total sales of the sales executives for the month October and November separately, and then displays the total sales in both the months. This is how subtotal works. It gives us more information than before. It separates the data on the basis of month and displays the total in separately and in all.